This is Dhruva. Today we are going to talk about blood. Blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals. Next. Okay, facts about the blood. Plasma makes up 55% of blood. The other 45% consists of mainly red blood cells RBC, white blood cells WBC, and platelets. Blood occurs for 8% of human weight. The average of adult has blood volume of roughly 5 liters. You can see the plasma is 55%. In the image, you can see plasma is 55%, and the 1% is platelets and white blood cells, and that red color is RBC. So, we'll go next. Job of the blood. It supplies needed substances around the body such as sugars, oxygen, and hormones. It provides essential nutrients to cells such as amino acids, fatty acids, and glucose. It also transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells such as carbon dioxide, urea, and lactic acid. It regulates the acidity, pH levels, and body temperature. Another important thing of the blood, its protective action against disease. Which blood does protective action? RBC or WBC? Yes, it is WBC. Defends the body against infections, foreign materials. The immunity system is like our Indian army, attack the threat of disease or infection. Next. Structure of blood. Structure. Blood travels along vessels to reach every system of the body and carries out its important functions. Blood mainly consists of plasma, red blood cells, and white blood cells, and platelets mainly. Components of blood. We know in the blood 55% is plasma, but inside plasma, you can see that is plasma. I showed you. Inside plasma, 92% is water, and the other remaining includes carbon dioxide, glucose, hormones, proteins, mineral salts, fats, and vitamins. Red blood cells share here. They are shaped like flattened discs and transport oxygen to and from the lungs. I think you people may all be thinking, why is our blood color red? Because our favorite color is red? No, wrong. God's favorite color is red? No, wrong. Because in our body there is hemoglobin. When hemoglobin gets mixed with oxygen, it turns into red color. That one goes to the heart pumps. Okay. The lifespan of RBC is only 4 months. Means the RBC which will be inside our body, okay, it'll stay alive only for 4 months. the body replaces them regularly. Means in your toy aeroplane or toy car, remote control ones, when the battery over, you will open and put new battery, no? Like that only, the lifespan of RBC, when the RBC dies, it will push out it will throw the waste RBC out and it will bring the new RBC inside. You will not be waiting when my new RBC will come. Amazingly, our body produces 2 million blood cells every second. The expected numbers of RBCs in a single drop of blood is 4.5 to 6.2 million in men and 4.0 to 5.2 million in women. Alright? Next. WBC. WBC is less than only 1% in your body. Okay. Fight against disease and infection, we know. The normal range of number of white blood cells in a single drop of blood is between 3,700 and 10,500. Higher and lower levels of white blood cells can indicate disease. Means when you're driving bike or car, you will indicate others who are back of you or front of you that you're taking right, you're taking left. Like this only, white blood cells, if they get higher or lower, they indicate disease can attack you. Okay, that is the indication of white blood cells. Platelets interact with clotting proteins to prevent or stop. To my house, some guest came, okay? Me and my mother are preparing food for them. Okay, suddenly I cut in my hand. The platelets, what they will do, they will come and they will form a group to stop the blood clotting. And one more, there should be between 1,50,000 3 lakh platelets per drop. And one more thing, if platelets go down, dengue etc. can attack you. Means not just you, everyone. Okay? If the platelets go down, what will happen? It can cause dengue or etc. germs or virus. Blood group or blood type. A positive. A positive, A negative. B positive, B negative. AB positive, AB negative. O positive, O negative. Next. Okay, this is a laboratory. If you want to get your blood tested, you can go to the laboratory. Okay, if your blood is A group, in the antibodies of plasma, it should be anti-B. If you're then in red blood cells, it should be A antigen. If your blood group is B, in the antibodies of plasma, it should be anti-A. And in the RBC, it should be B antigen. If your blood is group AB, in the antibodies of plasma, nothing should be there. But in the RBC, A and B antigens should be there. If your blood is O group, in the antibodies of plasma, anti-A and anti-B should be. And in the RBC, nothing should be. Okay, go for next. Rhesus factor. Okay, it's named after the Rhesus monkey were they first discovered. If the RH factors are present, means there. Okay, that time means it's called positive. A positive in A, B, B positive, like that. Okay, if RH factors are absent, means not there, means it's A negative, A, B, B negative, like that. Okay. Who can give blood to whom? See, you can see the arrows. O positive people can give to AB, O positive can give for A, and O can give for B. But for AB can't take, AB can't give for A, AB can't give for B, or AB can't give for O. But O to O it can take. Means like my friend's blood group is O positive. Mine is also O positive. If for him the blood is going down, he needs blood. That time I can give my blood to him. Okay? Okay, like that. O to O can take. AB, A to A, B to B. I'll say why the arrow marks are showing O can give to this, that. Because O is called the universal donor. Because they can give blood to any other blood group. Okay, then why arrow marks is showing everything to AB? Because AB is called the universal acceptor, the blood acceptor. That's why all the arrow marks are showing to O to A to this one, AB, O to B, then to AB. Next, Carl Landster. He was the one who researched about O positive, O negative, like that. Okay, he is from Australia. Not Australia. Austria. Austria. Okay. When he researched about it, means he researched on that when in 1900. The crazy colors of blood. I think so. You people might be thinking all the animals and me on this planet, on Earth, all the people's and insects and everything is red only, and even aqua animals. But it's not true. Let's see, is it true or not? See, for humans and most vertebrates, it is red because maybe they will be having hemoglobin. Like example for human and fish. Okay, the beetlet, for yellow color, why yellow color will be? Because these cockroach and this sea cucumber, no, they have yellow color. Because like us, we have hemoglobin, they will also be having some material. If it mixes oxygen, that will turn into yellow color. Okay, see, said you, it can be green, blue, purple. For leeches and different marine worms, they are green because they might also be having something else like hemoglobin. For octopus also, octopus and sea squids also, they might be having something like hemoglobin. And even for purple, for peanut worms and different type of marine worms. In the green blood also will be for some marine worms, and some different kind of marine worms also it will be purple. Okay, like that. Different things will be having different like hemoglobin, like different. Okay, next for my side I want to please send me a message. Please donate blood and save blood. Donate blood. Anybody can give blood to anyone. Bring a life back to power. Make blood donate is your responsibility. Spare only 15 minutes and save one life. Anybody can save life. Don't let mosquitoes get your blood first. You are somebody's tribe. Okay. The things what the donor should be. The donor must be fit and healthy and should not be suffering from transmissible disease. Age and weight. The donor must be 18 to 65 years old and should weigh a minimum of 50 kgs plus rate between 50 and 100 without injuries. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe and press the little bell icon so you may get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.